But do you think that companies have the same problems nowadays? I mean, going back to Denise's what statement that in order to really sell someone, we need to really show that we understand their problems, and the situation, the wider concept situation they're in. Is it fair to say that just because two companies, they both work in digital technology, they're both in Germany, they both got about 50 employees, they're both looking for seed funding, that they have the same problems? I think nowadays you can't say that.
Maybe they don't, but we can't solve all of them, right? So in the end, we're selling, we do have one solution to sell, right? And we know that that particular group of people will think about the problem that we can solve in a particular way. And that is the important aspect. It's not that they all have the same problems. Maybe they don't, but if they have completely different problems, then I'm probably the wrong person to speak to. The interesting thing about context is that it lets us phrase or frame the solution that we have in the context that matters to these people. If they have a completely different problem at the moment, then this is probably a very long sales game that we're playing. But